This was my calamondin or limoncito. See, I double it. I'm glad that I double. Otherwise, the fruits will froze. Hi guys! So today we're gonna take off the cover of my plants and see the aftermath of the Texas snowstorm. Let's go! This one guys is my calamondin in English or calamansi in Tagalog. Let's see how's my calamansi is doing. Guys. Oh no! Oh no! What happened to my calamondin? So guys, it is damaged. See? They die. Look at the leaves. It's crispy. See? See, it fall off. That's how the snowstorm caused damage this year. Look at this. Look at that fruits. See? It is dented. They are cooked. Too much, too cold for them. Because this is tropical plants. Texas is like tropical weather most of the time, but winter only goes 40 degrees up. But this snowstorm caused a lot of damage. See, it's dented. They're gonna die, guys. See, I should harvest this before the snowstorm, but I didn't expect that this was happen to them, that they cannot survive after the winter storm. It's too cold for them, guys. And this is the first time happen in my calamondin for 4 years now. This calamondin, I don't cover it every winter, and they're still alive. But this winter, I covered twice, and they're still dying. See? Tinted. See? You can easily pinch it. So guys, after 10 days, this is it. That. They die. See? And this happens to the blood orange. See? The leaves also is easily fall off. See? See? All leaves are wilted. And these are pink hibiscus. See guys? The leaves wilted and dying. Turn, instead of green, it turns yellow or brown. Here's our aloe vera. Aloe vera, guys, see, look, it cooks. See? Instead of green, it turns brown. See, it's wilted too. See, look, happened to the aloe vera. They all wilted. So guys, for the guava, let's see it. Okay. Guava. Oh my God. It also wilted, guys. See? This is easy to fall off. These are also tropical plants. See? The branches, the leaves, also dying. See? Very easy to take off the leaves. Look at the baby leaves right here. Oh, see? No. This is the moringa. Pagkalamunggay. I hope the malunggay or moringa plants will still be alive this year, because the roots, it's still alive, and I hope this year will come out again with a green leaves. And this one, guys, is the calamansi or calamundin. Another one, I have two of these, and then one here. Not good, guys. See, look. This is the fall of Ceci. The leaves, see? Look. So the fruits during the winter. They turn yellow or turn brown. This one, guys, is my Nebel orange. The same, guys. Wilted. Easy to pull off. See, if you just grab it, that fall off right away. And look at my bananas, guys. Instead of green bananas, they turn brown. And they bow down. See? See the banana? They're dying, guys. Bananas are tropical plants, so they don't survive. And I hope on March the bulb will come out. Usually they just come out on spring and summer, but I don't know this time, because they're all frozen and they are dying. Same as my lemon. See? See? Here you go, guys. Another bananas of mine. One there, bananas, and another one here. They fall down. And these are the flowers. The flowers are blue. See? They are also dying. Naluto siya, guys. Naluto sa snow. It's all wilted, even the branches, eh. It wrinkled. So guys, the other day, I feed the turtles. See, I feed littles and the cucumber. But I think he doesn't eat it. So let's see if the turtle is still there or he already walked somewhere. Banana also died. Let's see if it will come back during March or April. Okay, see, it's the avocado. It's also not good. Leaves turn brown. Also got frozen. Avocado is a tropical plant. So, see, can easily smash the leaves of the avocado. The trunk is turning brown. I don't know if this is still alive. Even if you cover it, see, you can squeeze it. I don't know, guys. Just the avocado and my banana. Usually this avocado, I don't cover this during the winter because they still survive, but this winter is more cold, so much cold, so that's why they wilted. That's my citrus. These are also wilted, especially I don't cover them. Even if you cover, still they still rapidly froze. See? Here too, guys. These are tropical plants with white flowers on it. The leaves supposed to be green. But look, crispy already. Guys, is my aloe vera. It's wilted. See? May huloy, guys. See, look. That one too is a foliage plant. This one too, guys. Don't know what's the name of this. They are wilted. And guys, oh, this is supposed to be green. Look at that. Guys, these are Irish. So guys, some plants are on my shed. So see, some leaves are still wilted. This one too. See, look. Bam. This is the papaya that I saved. Still wilted. And aloe vera inside my shed. Some leaves are wilted, some leaves are not. This one here. Still a good sign that they will still survive. I hope so. These are my laurel leaves for spices. And the same, my alocasia or gabi-gabi, still wilted even if it's inside the shed. And my calabo, or in English it's my oregano. I don't know if it still live, but I hope so. I'll take it out to have a sunlight. There you go. So guys, it's folding time. The clip to make it as a weight in both ends. So guys, now that it is dry, is the Gardenia, or we call it rosal in the Philippines. This is color white flowers, and it smells good. The rosal or Gardenia also died from the snowstorm. It's color brown now. This one is the leaf also died. Another flowers died. My hibiscus, pink hibiscus. Another calamundin, or calamansi in Tagalog. It died, guys. Doesn't survive. All the bananas. I have a lot to clean up on spring. The alocasia. My alocasia. It's gabi-gabi. So it dies. Eat it, and I eat the other one. And there are two here, and the two here, the squirrel knock it off. So one here, and there was two, and I already ate the one here. And now let's eat this one. Let's harvest this.